morning, people. It's your boy Ghost of Track TV. It's been a long time, but the sun is out. It's shining. We're on the road, 3 man up, 3 bikes up, should I say. And today we're going to London Expo Centre to go and see the London Motorcycle Show. So it should be interesting to see. Just see some nice bikes. Supposed to be like a simulator there as well, like a racing sim. So that should be interesting. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride. So, is that what you want? Is that? Mine says the right 2 lanes. Oh, it's doing. You're welcome, guys. That just kills me. Hey. Thank God he's talking to him and not me, bro. I can't lie, if he was talking to me I'd probably forget what he's saying immediately. Yeah. Ooh, look at all these bikes. Look at all these bikes. Absolutely insane. I've got little legs. I can't reverse. Look at this absolute madness, guys. Oh my gosh. I think I need to get a quick. Just take it in. Take it in. Have you seen so many bikes in one place? Absolutely insane. Absolutely beautiful. And we're probably going to change over to the phone for the rest of the day. But I'll see you in a moment. Love.
What's going on, people? It's your boy, it's only Blaze, and we've got Ghost, JJ, and we are at... Oh, sorry. 5th time someone's hit my helmet today. And we are at the MCN. Bikes for days, bikes for days. So as you can see, motorcycle galore. From all over there, all the way back there. So let's have a look. I'm going to show you the bike that I was going to get instead of the Indian. And if you go to Why I Ride a Vespa Primavera video, you will see that I spoke about getting this bike right here. The Kawasaki Vulcan S. Nothing compared to my Indian. Where the boys go. Alrighty. When I find more stuff, I will be sure. When I find more stuff, I'll be sure to slap the camera on again and show you. Alright guys, when I die, which is going to happen eventually, this is how I want to go. It's a sidecar funeral. Look at that. And look, here's her. But this is how I want to go. This is me. Me, Ghost. Shit, look at the dash. The dash is really good.
Oh shit, that looks sick, bro.
That's really sick. You've got a dash, it's crazy. Now it's fake.
That was fake.
Pull your PSI from there.
Look, you can check the PSI of your tyres.
That's crazy.
And look at the way you can upshift and downshift. Upshift. Oh, you can also do it from here.
Yeah. That's crazy. That's such a weird mechanism. We've got speakers, also at the front.
Heater grips as well.
But at the back too. Oh, is that how they control them? Oh, heater grips right here. That's crazy. This bike is.
It's got voice control.
And they're lit up. That clip. That's absolutely insane. What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost from Post. Now, I just wanted to quickly apologize because in our efforts leading up to this event, we got a bit too excited looking around at bikes, and we may not have vlogged all the things that we actually wanted to vlog. I'm gonna throw this one in here. This was an indoor dirt bike race. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was great. I've never actually seen anything like this in real life. This is my first time seeing any kind of like dirt bike and jumping over things. It's actually amazing. It makes me want to get involved. But they had about 3 different races. The first ones were time trials, and then based on where they came in the time, seeded them into these little races, these one-on-one races. It was really great. Have a look. It's about 2 minutes long. It's not too long. I hope you enjoy it like I did.
Will compete against his fellow Yorkshireman, Richard Morehouse. Fastest time for Richard, James Jackson third fastest. So first goes third. The lights are red at the moment. Waiting for the lights to change. Get behind them, everybody. They're green. Two laps in the races. Jump completely over. Look at that, over the jumps. Down they go towards the skid. Time does a better now. It's head here. James Jackson is on the top. Oh, another go. Get him on there quickly. Jackson has got this bike country mile. Walking the bike, slides it round. And then he goes to winning for his fellow Yorkshireman. Richard's now got it all to do. Oh, here we go. He's got the front end. He's got the front end. Richard Williams is coming up behind him. He's close. He's nearly on it. Go, 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 go. This is the gear. They're side by side. Over the barrels this time. Over the barrels they go. Right down towards the skip again. What's going to happen here? Can Morehouse get it right? This time, go. Get the grip. Up on top. Jackson's
If he wins, he's mad.
Morehouse 2. Up to the tyres. Neck and neck this pair. Absolutely nothing in it. Jackson. Put his foot down over the line.
Yeah, he's done it. He's done it. What a bad man. Oh my god.
Wait, you know.
I see some little flames, JJ. I see little flames from you, JJ. Yeah. Yeah, little flames, bro. I see that. I see you. Yeah, bro. Go on, downshift again, downshift again. There we go. There we go. We need downshift. I need downshift. Anyway, guys, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. We've seen some nice bikes, met some cool people. I don't know what style this video is going to be in because it was a bit mad. There was so much going on, so we'll see what we can whip up. Not to mention, unfortunately, Blaze didn't have his camera. Shut up. Blaze didn't have his camera, so we couldn't do much of that. It's just been kind of me. But he did a 360 camera. You'll see him talking with being on some bikes, especially one of the Harleys, I think. Insane thing. It had all the technology you could ever want. But yeah, man, it's been a good day. I've been your boy Ghost. been Off Track TV, and I'm out. Hello.